Following that tragic shooting, several prosecutors in Michigan are now considering criminal charges for some students accused of making threats against schools. Our Madeline Watkins spoke with the Wood County prosecutor to look into how he makes the decision whether to charge a juvenile with making a school threat. Joining us now live in the studio, Madeline.
Yeah, Jeff, so it all depends on the type of threat if any charges will be filed. But one thing is certain, the prosecutor's office will take a thorough look into that threat.
Wood County prosecuting attorney Paul Dobson tells me with any potential school threat, law enforcement will work with the prosecutor's office to determine if charges should be filed, what charges would be filed, and begin the criminal justice process from there. He says not every case will be charged, but they are investigated.
It's important that school officials, but frankly most particularly parents, are having these conversations with their students, that law enforcement and the schools take these things very, very seriously.
Following the Oxford school shooting on November 30th, at least 4 school threats in our area have been made. Dobson says there is a difference between making false alarms that can be considered criminal conduct and reporting something you've seen or heard. But he explains it's better to be safe than sorry.
We want people to report what they see and what they hear. And so if they report something that they've seen and they've heard, and it ultimately does not turn out to be true or turn out to be accurate, or that it's not going to happen, that's certainly not a criminal offense.
Juveniles who make a school threat could face a wide variety of consequences, from probation, juvenile detention, or mental health programming. And if it's not criminal, schools can administer their own discipline as well.
The consequences can be very, very serious and really affect somebody's life almost right off the bat.
The prosecutor's office also looks at the child's prior record, history of violence, and age when determining if they should be charged with a school threat. Live in the studio tonight, Madeline Watkins, WTOL 11.